Almost everything. 84.
Hey guys, Dan is Almost Everything 84, and today I have a review of an ARC cigarette lighter. So it comes in this box. I have a nice little presentation. You get a box here with the USB cord in here, charging cord. Just rip it right open. Chose this color. Sort of like a Zippo style. You have the USB port right in the bottom here, which you can charge. This one came charged already. Flip it open, that blue light goes off. Push the button. See, that is the arc lighter. It's almost like a, those plasma balls. Pretty cool. Let's just light something on fire. So, definitely gonna light a cigarette, not a problem. Pretty cool. I've been actually using it a couple days now. I haven't had to charge it yet, which I like. But yeah, it gets the job done. I mean, I don't know if I'd replace my Zippo with it, and I don't smoke for occasion, except the occasional cigars and such. But definitely a cool little kind of gadget type thing, novelty, but more for the effect. Crazy little sound too. I don't know if I'd stick my finger in there, but hope this helps you a little in your selection there. Thanks for watching.